So, I woke up oh wait, I should start with the date. I'm so forgetful. Today's Saturday, June 15th. The end. So, I woke up this morning at 3:30 to Ben Rector's song She Is, which is my phone ringtone, playing really loudly in my ear. And, you know, when you are awoken at an ungodly hour, unexpectedly, your first reaction is just turn off your phone. So I turn it off, and then I looked to see who was calling, and it was one of my best friends, who I just adore. And, I mean, we talk on the phone occasionally, but we see each other normally. But she usually doesn't call me unless she really needs me. So I felt bad for hanging up on her, and I called her back, and it turned out she did need me, and she just needed someone to talk to her, and someone to listen. And it made me think, sometimes that's all you can do. And that sucks. I'm a math nerd by choice. I like problems, and I like to solve them. It's what I'm good at, it's what I enjoy, it just comes naturally. Like, I like puzzles, I get excited to take math sections of SATs, I like Sudokus, I try and mentally calculate how many things will fit in other things. I try to decide what could fit into what. Could I fit in that dryer? How many of those books could I fit between those two shelves? I like to create little mental problems and solve them. And maybe that's because I'm weird. And that's perfectly possible. But not solving problems is hard for me. I'm a people pleaser and I'm a problem solver. And so when I'm faced with a problem that the answer is not to solve it, that's really difficult for me. And especially in this friendship, I've had to spend a lot of time not solving problems, but listening to the problems and just being there. Because it's not my life. I'm not the one who I can tell my friend what I think she needs to do differently or any of that, but that's not how problems get solved, not in real life. Problems are solved by people making real choices on their own and with the support of friends and family. And I think for people like me, that's really difficult. To just know that you can't solve the problem, and all you can do is be there for someone until they find their own way of solving it. So that's something I've been thinking about today, is that in life there will be problems that I can't solve, and I've got to be okay with it, because otherwise I'll just go straight up nuts. Well, you know. So that made me think today. And it was good to get her call. I care about her deeply, and I'm always there for her. And I'm glad to have friends like her, because I know she's there for me when I need her. And I know she's not one to try and solve my problems. She's there to listen and give advice when I need it. And I think I'm pretty quick to try and solve things, especially with people. So, thinking about that, I thought it was something worth sharing. I really didn't do anything else interesting today. Oh, one of my really close friends is leaving for the whole summer tomorrow morning. And that's really sad. I'll see her for a week this summer when we go to Haiti together. But then I leave for college before she gets back. from her trip. And I won't see her probably until Christmas, which is really sad. But I'm excited for her. It's a really cool opportunity. And I know I'll get to do some cool stuff this summer. So, it's weird, this whole growing up thing. I think I like it. I'm not always sure. I'm gonna go to bed. I love you. Bye. Oh, phone.